How you doing, folks? James Power here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 131 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the BMW LED angel eyes, the iconic BMW kidney grille, the M Sport front bumper with front parking sensors, the M Sport aerodynamic body kit. Around to the side you have the upgraded 19-inch BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the rear tail lights, the rear LED tail lights, the rear parking sensors, the twin exhausts, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click key fob and she'll pop right open. Now let's take a look at some of the spec on board this 520D. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, the BMW iDrive system that allows you to control the teleservice. Some of the features on board this teleservice is enhanced Bluetooth, sat-nav navigation, connective drive, media, radio, and many others. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish, fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You also have the keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, ideal for these cold crisp Irish mornings. You have the BMW SOS service system, front and back parking sensors. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You have the electric handbrake, air conditioning, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this absolutely stunning 131 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.